Hello students, today we are going to solve some numericals of bank reconciliation statement. This is the second part of it, accountancy class 11th. Today we are going to solve numericals from your book, and in the previous video I have told you that the passbook and cash book balances are compared for preparation of bank reconciliation statement, that is called BRS in short form. Okay, so let's start. Rimjim Limited maintains a current account with State Bank of India. On 31st March 2017, the bank column of its cash book show a debit balance, that is positive balance, of 1,54,300. The bank statement show different balance as on the date, but when they compare the cash book and passbook, the difference is coming. So the following were reason for difference. First is, you have to write this balance because this is debit balance, and in cash book if it is debit balance it is a positive balance and written on plus column. But if it is debit balance of bank, it will be written in the minus column, as in bank credit balance is the positive balance. So check deposited but yet not credited by bank. You deposit the check but still bank not credited it in your account. So because of this transaction your balance will be upgraded, so it will be written in the minus column. You can make by making this question by making two columns, add and less, and in the less column first is 75,450, as debit balance is written in the topmost in the plus column. Now next transaction is check issued but yet not presented for payment. You issue a check to the creditor but still they do not collect the payment. So because of this the cash book is degraded, so it will be written in the plus column, right? Next is bank charges not yet recorded in the cash book. Bank charges some interest or sum of rent from your account, but still you don't know about that, so cash book show the balance which is upgraded, so it will be written in this column, right? Next is check received by bank directly from trade debtors, so it will be written in plus column because trade debtors deposited their money in your account directly and they do not inform you, so in your account the balance will increase, and in cash book there is decreased balance, so it will be written in the plus column. You can see, yes. Insurance premium paid by a bank as per standing instruction but yet not recorded in cash book. Insurance premium is just like a fee you have to pay for insurance. So this will charged by bank and still they do not inform you, as they do not inform you suddenly. When you go to the bank and update your passbook, you can see the all transaction undertaken by the bank. Okay, so it because of this our cash book will got increased, so we have to write them into the minus column. Last is dividend collected by the bank. As you know, dividend is interest which is received on the shares, the securities. So it is directly collected, but still you don't know about that. You have to write in the plus column. Okay. So here our question is completed. Now you have to make a total of add column and the less column, and after that you have to ascertain this balance, right? So this will be written as a credit balance as per passbook, because the minus column is here is less and plus column is greater, so it will be written here. And this is the method of preparation of bank reconciliation statement. Okay. Now another question is, on 30th June 2014, the bank balance as Sanjay Yadav's cash book was 1500. Okay. On the comparing with the passbook, the following information is received. So first of all, you have to write debit balance. When there is no information, you term as debit balance, right? First is check amounting 7,290 were issued on 28 June, of which one check is 1,300 was presented in bank on 4th July. So every end of the month you prepare BRS, or you are preparing it on 30th June, okay, but the check was presented on 1,300 on 4th July. So this will be not recorded in cash book, and because of this we have to increase the cash book, right? Okay. Now check deposited into bank 10,000, but these check of 4,000 were clear and credited in July. So 4,000 is clear in July, so it will be less, right? Next is interest and dividend on interest investment is 580 collected by the bank and credited to his account, but he did not know any information. Okay, so it will be add back right over there. And next is life insurance premium 750 paid by the bank according to standing orders. So standing order is that order you have given to bank that they charge some of the expenses on the end of the month automatically. Bank charges not recorded into cash book. C. So this is the procedure of preparation of bank reconciliation statement. It is quite easy. You can easily make them and solve them. Okay. So in the next video, we will solve some more numericals. Till then, you try to solve some numerical from your books. If there is any doubt, please ask me in your classroom. Okay.